Alright guys, I just wanted to post a little video showing you how exactly to trade options. I have the app on my computer as well. So here's my portfolio right now. So for tomorrow we're looking at AMD and potentially Apple. So to add, let's just look at AMD. So just type in AMD up here in the corner. And here comes AMD. So, assuming you've already enabled options trading on your app, we're going to go down here to trade AMD options on the bottom right. And for now, well, if you've watched the video that I sent in the GroupMe, you should understand kind of how it works. If it's a little bit confusing right now, that's fine. As long as you just do what I tell you, you should be fine for now. So here you have the option between, and this looks pretty similar on your phone, but I do suggest getting the app on your computer as well because it's kind of easier to look at the thing as a whole. So here we're looking at puts, calls, and for tomorrow we're looking at calls for AMD. We're not going to buy right away. We're going to wait to see if there's a pullback and buy at a cheaper price. So to buy, let's say we want to do the $19.5 call, and right now a share is $19.15. So to buy that, we're going to go over here, and we're going to click on it, and it'll pop up over here, and then you'll see that for the total cost, well, actually it doesn't show you here. Well, once you click continue, I'm not sure what's that showing you. Let me figure this out. Okay, so it's not actually 63 cents. It's really $63. So let's see if it shows. Oh yeah. Oh, oops, sorry. Yeah. So you're gonna type in one contract, and then it'll show you the total price for that contract is $63. So assuming that all of you have about $200 worth of buying power in your account, this should really be a pretty small investment for you. So one call for this particular 19.5 should be $63, okay? And as soon as you buy that, the price of that will fluctuate aggressively. And it's not necessarily going to be worth $63 tomorrow morning. It might be worth more, it might be worth less. That's why we're going to have to wait to see when the perfect entry point is. And this is for the particular expiration of January 11th. And if you click on this, you see that there's a bunch of different expirations. And it changes the price of that like right away. See, that would be $184. So yeah, that's how you buy them, and then you would click review order and then buy. Click review order. Yeah. Well, right now I don't have enough buying power, but it would say buy in this spot here. But yeah, so that's how you do that. I'll tell you exactly which one we're going to buy tomorrow. So this is the expiration date. You'll see up here, see, for example, February 8th, or we might end up doing January 11th. But make sure you're on call, not put. So call will be in green. So buy, call, expiration. So those are the three things you need to make sure that you're doing correctly. I'm going to tell you exactly when the call expires and the strike price, which you'll see here. You can see the current price right here. And then all you do is click review order and then buy. So we'll figure that out tomorrow. Sounds good.